at that! Here comes the soap.
Look on my special cameras. You can see the soap pouring down. It looks a bit like a curtain.
Oh, here comes the water.
Can you see on my special cameras how the water is being sprayed? It's through little jets.
Wow! It's a bit like the shower you have at home, but this is spraying the water at really high pressure, which means it's a lot more powerful. Listen to the sound! That is the sound of the water. That's really exciting! Ooh, now it's time for the brushes. The giant brushes are coming down, and then the sensor will tell them where the car is so it knows where to stop. Here we go again. Woohoo! The brushes are made from a soft foam so that the paint on the car doesn't get scratched when it's being washed. Here we go again. That is such a brilliant sound. It's like being in a thunderstorm.